service call, we found this furnace has not been maintained in a number of years. There has been multiple failures on the furnace. We had a circuit board failure and also a blower motor failure. So we'll show you what it should look like after a maintenance. The dust can cause the motor not to properly vent. It gets on the windings and it'll cause the motor to overheat. Then the excess dirt on the fins, we're not moving air efficiently, decreases cooling, it'll decrease the heat, puts added stress on the motor, causes the motor to work harder and fail prematurely.
The exchanger's not too bad. No corrosion, I don't see. It's not starting to rot. Oh yeah, a little bit. So we do a full visual on the heat exchanger. We brush it out, we clean it. So this is the secondary.
Important things with having maintenance is ensure that the components are clean, they're operating to their efficiency, how they were installed. Lack of airflow is a very important thing, especially with air conditioning and with heating. Air conditioning, lack of airflow could put added stress on the air conditioning components outside, the condenser, compressor. Also decrease the comfort in the home. In the winter, we can have inadequate airflow, which can cause rooms to be not warm enough, or the furnace is not cycling properly, which means it's either running short periods of time or long periods of time, which can cause it to put added stress on the components and fail prematurely. An annual maintenance completed by a certified qualified technician every year will help to ensure that your equipment's working to its efficiency. Maintenance on the furnace can reduce the chances of any failures. From the state that this furnace was in and the cost to the homeowner, it resulted in the homeowner purchasing a new furnace.